The flag of Azerbaijan is one of the most important symbols reflecting the independence, national identity, and history of the country. The flag of Azerbaijan consists of three horizontal colored stripes: blue, red, and green. The blue color is a symbol of our Turkism. The red color is a symbol of freedom and development. The green color is a symbol of the Islamic religion.
Bizim bayrağımız bizim gurur mənbəyimizdir. Bizim bayrağımız bizim canımızdır, bizim yüreğimizdir. Eşq olsun Azərbaycan bayrağına.